Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center late this Wednesday morning with a quick update on the latest thinking on what's ahead of us for the rest of this Wednesday and Wednesday night. Storm Prediction Center now has the enhanced risk for the northwestern sections of the ArkLaTex. It looks like the risk will lower somewhat as you look to the south and east. As far as my level is concerned, looks like a 6 out of 10 as we are looking at the main threat probably being damaging winds of up to 70 miles per hour. Could see quarter to ping pong ball sized hail in a few spots, especially in that enhanced risk area, and there will be a possibility, especially late this afternoon later this afternoon into the evening hours, for a few tornadoes, mainly in northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, and southwest Arkansas. That risk will decrease somewhat further to the south and east. Here's the very latest run of the HRRR model. Again, this will constantly update in the loop in this article throughout the day as it updates every single hour, and you can see the latest run showing the storms moving into McCurtain County here. That's going to occur probably a bit quicker than what the HR is showing. Notice by 5 p.m. the stronger storms around Texarkana extending from there to just north of Longview. The storms will then approach Shreveport as we go into the middle of the evening hours, and by that time we should begin to see a little bit of a weakening trend begin to take place, and you can see the storms stalling somewhat over Shreveport by midnight. And then we'll see that acceleration further to the south and east, and the worst of the storms should be out of here by the time we get to 3 a.m. As far as the tornado potential, you can clearly see it highest probably near and north of Interstate 30 here in northeast Texas, southwest Arkansas, and southeast Oklahoma. Notice as the line progresses its way towards the south and east, the strength of the potential rotation does decrease, so it does appear as if the tornado risk will decrease. Here's a loop of 40-mile-per-hour plus wind gusts, and anywhere you see the browns here, that's where we get into that 50 to 70 miles per hour range. So we are looking at the potential for some damaging winds. That's probably going to be the biggest concern here. Also looking at the potential for some very heavy rain. Fortunately, the storms will be moving through the area a bit quicker. That's what it appears right now. So rainfall potential doesn't look quite as high, which is good, but it still looks like a good 1 to 3 inches of rain possible here during the rest of the day today and much of the night tonight over especially the northern 2/3 of the area. And I mentioned the hail threat. This is where Futurecast depicts the best chances of hail. Look for those areas of black. You can see those are most concentrated over northeast Texas and southwest Arkansas. Again, that part of the region, especially this afternoon, could see up to ping pong ball sized hail, definitely within the realm of possibility. So tonight we will see thunderstorms, or basically the thunderstorms this evening will continue tonight. Severe is looking quite possible, although that risk will slowly decrease as we go through the night, especially the tornado risk. And then tomorrow, possibility for some more scattered thunderstorms. The risk doesn't look nearly as high tomorrow, and it does look like the main threat will be over the southeastern sections of the area, as we'll see daytime highs tomorrow mainly in the low to middle 80s. I'll be posting radar updates in the live blog below throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening as these thunderstorms continue to move into and through the ArkLaTex.